Dreaded terror group Islamic State has claimed the responsibility for the killing of an Italian aid worker who was shot dead in Dhaka on Monday. In a statement issued in Arabic, the Islamic State claimed that it killed 50-year-old Cesare Tavella. This is the first attack in Bangladesh claimed by the Islamic State. The Italian national was shot thrice from a close proximity on Monday night in Dhaka's Gulshan diplomatic zone. The attackers fled the scene after Tavella fell to the ground. He was rushed to a nearby private hospital where doctors declared him dead. According to some reports, international schools were closed down in Bangladesh yesterday and Western embassies restricted their diplomats' movements. Bangladesh Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan sought to calm escalating security fears in the country, denying that Islamic State was behind the murder. Meanwhile, Australia's cricket tour of Bangladesh could be scrapped amid heightened warnings about the likelihood of terror attacks.
আমরা এখনো খোলাসা করে কোনো কিছু বলার অবস্থায় নেই। আমরা ঘটনাস্থল পরিদর্শন করেছি এবং সম্ভাব্য আলামত যেগুলো ছিল পাওয়া গেছে সেগুলো আমরা সংরক্ষণ করছি এবং যিনি নিহত হয়েছেন তার হাতে যা কিছু ছিল সেগুলো আমরা আমাদের সিজার লিস্টের মধ্যে নিয়ে নিয়েছি।